ever made. Crafted pride by monsters of the trade. The world's greatest circus. We have this story of the impossible, a tale best or something. Wanna make believe maybe impossible to achieve, and really close. Who's the lions hungry in that cage with the confidence of a clown? The little man who rises on the stage as he falls with